Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to go into Tractor Supply and check out some Christmas clearance items. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so like I said, I ran into Tractor Supply to check out some Christmas clearance items. Now normally, this is not a store that I would think of to go shopping after Christmas for clearance items, but they surprisingly had a lot to choose from. Everything from toys to home decorations, signs, of course Christmas items like ornaments, lights, wrapping paper, all of that good stuff as well. And everything was being marked down anywhere between 40 and 60% off. Now keep in mind, these prices will continue to drop, so if you have a Tractor Supply near you, you may want to stop in and see what they have available in your area. Alright guys, so the first couple of items that I came across were Halloween and Thanksgiving signs. So these huge puppy dog signs, I think they were about 3 to 3.5 foot tall if I'm not mistaken. On one side it says Happy Halloween, on the other side it says Give Thanks, and these were on clearance for just $23.99, and I thought these were just super cute. And here's another sign left over from Halloween clearance. This is another double-sided sign, and it does flip around so it can say trick or treat or out of candy. These were marked down to just $4.86. And I also want to point out that you guys may want to walk all the way around your store and check for managers specials, because at my store they had this special going on. It's 50% off of all of the holiday dog toys. Alright guys, so now we're going to run through some pictures of the toys that I found at Tractor Supply. Now I was very pleasantly surprised at just the huge variety that they had to choose from. I had no idea that Tractor Supply carried this many toys. Now they may not regularly carry all of these. This may just be for Christmas, but they still had a huge variety to choose from, and these will be great things to go ahead and pick up on clearance and put back for birthdays or even next Christmas. So they had everything from stuffed animals to puzzles to board games, little arts and crafts sets. They had these Melissa and Doug toys. I know that those are pretty popular, and they can be quite expensive as well. So to find those on clearance, I think that would be a great deal. And like I said, keep in mind, these are just going to continue to go down on the clearance price. So you could even stop into your store, see what they have a lot of in stock. If you see something that you like, you could probably wait until they go down to 70 or 75% off. Alright guys, so now we're going to check out all the home goods items that I found at Tractor Supply, as well as the Christmas decorations. So I found everything from welcome mats to cute little coffee mugs, candles, bookends, even a cute little vintage looking clock. So they had a big variety to choose from, and they had tons and tons of decorative signs as well. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more like this, please leave me a comment down below and let me know. Now if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and become a part of our crazy couponing community here. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, you guys know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.